We continue to hear quite a bit about AI as it relates to cloud, as it relates to advertising with some of these big tech companies. Which are the areas in which you see the most potential and growth going forward with AI?
Well, it's clear that there's going to be, we believe, trillions of dollars that will be spent on AI software over the course of this business cycle. And it's interesting to me that everybody seems to think that mega cap tech is the place to play. That might be the most dangerous place to be, given how they were all in their own competitive swim lanes, and now they're all competing with each other in this emerging technology area. So we actually think some of the interesting places to invest are companies that have deployed in-use assets and can deliver AI software to those assets. So take Tesla, has the largest deployed fleet of robots in the world. If you can turn those cars they sold into robo-taxis, then that transforms their economic model. Given the pace of advance in AI, Tesla is better positioned to take economic advantage of it than some of the underlying AI-focused tech companies that are beginning to compete with each other in a really aggressive way.
I would argue that's still a big if that Tesla has not proven out, at least not yet, Brett. But I want to come back to that in a minute because I want to bring Sachin into this discussion because his company does AI. Now, you can't invest in it yet, at least not in the public markets. It's a privately held company. But Sachin, I'm curious, there is such this clamoring about AI. What are you hearing from customers and potential customers? Is this something that they are getting really excited about here? And just for people who aren't familiar, give us like the 20-second description of what you guys do.
Oh, no, thank you so much again for having me. I think the most important thing I'm hearing is a little bit of hysteria meets a little bit of confusion, if I'm honest. So our platform allows people to build software. We use AI in combination with human efforts. So think of it like Lego-like reusable features to allow people to build any kind of software application. And what we're hearing from customers is an element of excitement because it's something new and everybody's talking about it. But it's coming with an equal dose of confusion in terms of how they might use it. Is it really new? Will they have to change sort of their labor hiring and labor patterns? And it overall just seems very misunderstood, especially given we are probably in the AOL of the AI world right now, whereas the perception with some folks is that we're in the fiber optic world of AOL, of broadband.